All right, I got some more stuff from Lowe's. This video is sponsored by Lowe's. They sent me this stuff, so let's get the camera down and get into it. All right, first up, we got a new thing of spackle. Gonna need that where all these holes I got to fill in. Screw holes, nail holes, whatever else. I got some stuff there to fix the popcorn ceiling, or at least I hope it will. And that to fill in some gaps. Then we have 2 new switches and the cover plate, 2 new outlets and the cover plates, a new 220 outlet cover or receptacle, whatever you want to call them. This cover plate is for the GFCI. We got a new one of them, going from ugly, I don't know what color it is, off-white, faded, old, to new white stuff. I was going to go with black, but then I would have had to bought a new 220 outlet too, and I didn't want to have to replace it. So I just went with white. Some brushes. Got 4 more of these bins. For the cabinet that we put up in the other video. And I got a piece of wood. I'll explain that. And a gallon of paint. I hope a gallon of paint with what I have left is going to be enough. Okay, like I said, Lowe's sponsored this video. We're going to do a garage makeover somewhat. And I'll probably film some of it, maybe fast forward it, so you're not watching me roll paint on the wall, right? But as you can see over there, the walls are in need of a makeover, right? So that's what we're going to do. And while we're at it, we're going to change the outlets and receptacles and switches and all that good stuff. And this piece of wood on each side of the door, the garage door, when they took the old door off and put this new one on, they said the whole surround had to be wood. Okay, whatever. So they had to charge me extra for wood. Well, they left it, instead of going all the way to the ceiling, they left it like that far away from the ceiling on both sides. So that's what this piece of wood is for. I don't have any. I think I threw it all away, all my spare pieces of wood. So, and I didn't want a whole 8-foot piece, so I bought a little 4-foot section. Okay, as you can see, I'm starting on this wall. Obviously all the way over there to the air compressor or air conditioner. Got the breaker panel cover off, fixed all the holes. So now I'm gonna paint this side. Just gonna do one wall at a time. All right, well, as you can see, we got started on the gray. I'm going with gray, same color as in the house. Still got to do some sanding. I don't know if you can see that up above the door over there, and then finish painting it. Of course, we still got to do the trim and everything, but we're going to do all the walls gray and then do the trim, cut in and do the trim. So stay tuned. All right, as you can see, we got the trim done. My wife is doing that now, finishing that, rather. We still got to do around the door. We hadn't done that yet. But I cut in around the top. going to do the attic door. We're going to do it white. Let me go over here. Just started putting the toolboxes back. But it's all done now. So now, put all the mess back. When I get done doing that, I'll show you the end result. Okay, as you can see, I got it all finished. Got everything put back in its place. And hopefully, let's go ahead and finish painting over here first, I guess. Put the signs. There's my toolboxes. Oop, you weren't supposed to see that. But anyway, there's my 4 toolboxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, I put the signs up in a bunch of different places instead of having them all gathered over there on the door and in that spot. Well, there was the door, or that spot, the door, and right here. I didn't put any back over there by the AC. I think it looks better over there and don't look so cluttered. And if you look up there, you'll see I didn't put the sticker board back up. I had to throw it away. I damaged it getting it down. So yeah, there that is, right? That sucks. Every one of the nails that I had in there holding it up was in studs. So like I said, I damaged it getting it off the wall. So, and I kind of damaged the wall. I had to fix that. So anyway, let's walk over here. As you can see, replaced the outlet, the cover, the switches, and the cover there. That's the 220, and that's the GFCI. Replaced it and the cover with white ones. That outlet is supposed to be white, but it kind of ain't the same white as it. But it had a metal, like a silver stainless steel cover on it. So I replaced it with a white one, so they all match. And all the rest of them was kind of like a beige color. Let's look up there. You see that one? It was kind of dirty, beigey looking like that. All right, well, I just wanted to show you the garage finished. It was a lot of work. Actually, it was more work moving everything away from the walls, especially these toolboxes. And painting, waiting on it to dry, see if you need a second coat, paint a second coat, and do the trim, and then put everything back in place. But it's finally, my garage is back organized again and cleaned. Since we moved everything, I went ahead and cleaned it up too, right? Might as well. Now, the only thing I haven't done is replace that outlet in the ceiling. For the garage door opener, I have the outlet on the table. So I replaced them all with white ones, and I'm going to replace that one too. I'm just not going to do it right now. I don't really feel like doing it right now. And let's see, can we turn this around and show you? Pan up a little bit. Also painted the attic cover, or attic door, whatever you want to call it. So let's go back over here where it ain't so bright, maybe. But anyway, I just want to show you that. I've been talking about doing a painting the garage or a garage makeover, whatever you want to call it, for a few years now, and I finally done it. I'm glad I did. It looks awesome. I love it. I hope you liked it. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.